In this video, we are going to learn lines and angles. This is chapter 13 in your book. So first look at question number 3. Among two supplementary angles, the measures of the larger angle is 36 degree more than the measure of the smaller. Find their measures. So first is a very important thing, among two supplementary angles. It means the angles we want to find out, that is supplementary angles. And what is supplementary angles? Two angles are called supplementary if the sum of their measures is 180 degree. So here the question is, the measure of the larger angle is 36 more than the measure of the smaller angle. Let the smaller angle be x degree. So what is the larger angle? Then the larger angle be 36 degree more than the smaller angle, x plus 36 degree. So as we know that given two angles are supplementary angles and the sum of two supplementary angles is equal to 180 degree. So x plus 36 is equal to 180 degree. X plus x, it is 2x plus 30. Now separate the variables and constant also. So 2x is equal to, it is 144 degree. X is equal to 144 by 2. X is equal to 72 degree. So smaller angle is, therefore, hence smaller angle is equal to 72 degree, and the larger angle is 72 plus 36 is equal to 108 degree. So these are two supplementary angles. Why? Because 72 plus 108, it is equal to 180 degree. Because in the given condition, it is given that among two supplementary angles, so its sum is 180 degree. Now look at the question number 4. Find the angle which is equal to its supplement. We want to find out the angle which is equal to its supplement. So let the required angle be y degree. Now we want to find an angle. Y which is equal to its supplement. So its supplement is 180 minus y. So now we want to find angle y which is equal to its supplement, So now separate the variables and constant. That is equal to 2y is equal to 180, y is equal to 180 by 2, y is equal to 90 degree. So required angle is, therefore, required angle B 90 degree. Now look at the next question. I hope it is clear to you. Look at 7th question. In the given figure, AOB is a straight line and ray OC stands on it. Now AOC angle is given and BOC angle is given. Find the value of x. Now we have, in the given figure, we can see that AOC and BOC are two adjacent angles. These are two adjacent angles. We can see that AOC and BOC are two adjacent angles. When we have two adjacent angles on a straight line, their sum is 180 degree. We know that two adjacent angles on a straight line, their sum is 180 degree. Another, there is a concept of linear pair. Two adjacent angles are said to form a linear pair if they are on a straight line. So here given angle AOC is equal to 2x minus 10 degree and angle BOC, this is given, BOC is equal to 3x plus 20 degree. So now the AOC and BOC are two adjacent angles on a straight line. So this forms a linear pair. So then by linear pair property, we have their sum 180 degree. AOC plus BOC is equal to 180 degree. So here it is 2x minus 10 plus 3x plus 20 is equal to 180 degree. So now 2x minus 10, open the brackets, separate the variables and constant, 2x plus 3x, this 180 degree remain here, this minus 10 becomes plus and this plus 20 becomes minus 20. So here it is 5x, 190 it is 170. So what will be the value of x? 170 divided by 5, x is equal to, here it is 34 degree. So we can see 170, we will divide it by 5, we get 34 degree. So here the value of x is 34. Now we want to find out AOC and BOC. AOC is 2x minus 10. So the value of x is here 34 minus 10. And what about BOC? BOC is equal to 3 into 34 plus 20. Let's solve it. It is 68 minus 10, that is 58 degree. And now here it is 120. So when you will solve it, 34 3za, it is 12, 102 degree. 102 plus 20, that is equal to 122 degree. So that is equal to 122 degree. So here one angle is 58 and one is 122 degree. This is your question number 7. So here we apply the linear property. Now look at question number 8. In the given figure, AOB is a straight line and the rays OC. So we on a straight line, this time we have two rays. Ray OC and ray OD stands on a straight line AOB. So in this, if AOC is 65 degree, BOD is 70 degree and COD is x degree. Find the value of x. We want here the value of x. So we know that angles on one side of a straight line, whenever we have angles on one side of a straight line, their sum is 180 degree. Sum of angles on one side of a straight line is equal to 180 degree. Whenever we have two or three or more angles on a straight line, on the one side of a straight line, their sum is 180 degree. So AOC plus COD plus BOD is equal to 180 degree. So here the sum of all these three angles is equal to 180 degree. So AOC is 65, COD x, BOD 70 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. So again we will separate the constant and collect the like terms. So here we get 135 degree is equal to 180 the value of x is 180 minus 135, that is equal to 45 degree. So therefore COD angle is equal to 45 degree and the value of x is also 45 degree. So now we are going to do the next type. Now we are going to do question number 10. Question number 10. Now we will do question number 10. In the given figure, two straight lines PQ and RS intersect at O. When two straight lines intersect at same point, suppose these are two straight lines AB and CD, intersect at common point common point P. Whenever two straight lines intersect each other at a common point, one thing, they made four angles. How many angles? Angle 1, 2, 3 and 4. They made four angles. There will be four angles and we can see that angles 1, 2 and 4 are opposite to each other. 1 and 3 opposite to each other. These are called vertically opposite angles. So 1 and 3 are called vertically opposite angle. 2 and 4 are called vertically opposite angles. And we know vertically opposite angles are equal. Always remember, note, vertically opposite angles are equal. Always remember, vertically opposite angles are equal. So let's start the question. So here in the given figure, two straight lines PQ and RS intersect at common point O. So here they said POS is 114 degree. POS is 114 degree and we want to find the measure of each of the angles POR, ROQ and QOS. So whenever two straight lines intersect at common point, they form four angles. And now they form four angles. One is POS, another is PO, another you can see POR, next one is QOS and the fourth one is ROQ. So we have four angles. So POS is vertically opposite to ROQ. So here ROQ is vertically opposite to POS. And we know vertically opposite angles are equal. As we know, vertically opposite angles are equal. So these are two vertically opposite angles and these are equal. So ROQ is equal to 114 because we know that POS, it is given POS is equal to 114 degree. So now we know ROQ is also 114 degree. Now next, so here in this, since ray OP stands on a ray, or you can say RS is a straight line. Since RS is a straight line and ray OP stands on it. We can see ray OP stands on it. So we can see that angle POR and POS are two adjacent angles. POR and POS are two adjacent angles. form an adjacent angles on the straight line, then by linear pair property, their sum is equal to 180 degree by linear pair property. So POR we don't know, but we know POS. POS is 114 degree. POS is 114, that is equal to 180 degree. POR is equal to 180 minus 114, that is equal to 66 degree. Now QOS is equal to POR, vertically opposite angles. Here these are vertically, this angle, we get this angle 66, and this is vertically opposite angle of QOS. So vertically opposite angles. So QOS is also equal to 66 degree. So these are three angles. One is ROQ 114, POR is 66 degree, and QOS is also 66 degree. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.